Hello, I am John. Today we're going to take a look at an online chess website called lipsynced. To find it, go to a web browser and type lipsynced or lipsynced.org. Click the first result. Here we are. This is lipsynced.org. Let's scroll up and down and see what we find. Interesting. Okay. Let's take a look at our options. Play, learn, watch, community and tools. Let's go to learn and then chess basics. Let's choose the rook. Notice the dots. These indicate the places where you can move the selected piece. The dots only extend horizontally and vertically. The rook is a piece that can only move horizontally and vertically. It cannot move diagonally. If I click the star, the rook will move to it. If nothing is in the way, you can move the rook anywhere on the board in 2 moves or less. The rook is a very useful piece. It is useful to defend and check because it can protect or attack a whole row. The rook shouldn't be taken for granted and should be used wisely. Remember to use the rook efficiently, and be sure to think about what to do before you do it. Let's play through and continue to the bishop. The bishop can only attack diagonally. See, it can move diagonally. Because of this, it is a very useful piece, but can't move in any other way. However, there is a drawback. Bishops on white squares can only move on white, and vice versa. Let's play through this tutorial. Let's move on to the queen. The queen contains all the pros of the rook and bishop. As you can see, the queen is very mobile. She can go diagonally, horizontally and vertically. Thus it is the most valuable piece. Let's play through this tutorial. If you want to skip to the king, you are free to do so. Next, let's go to the king. The king is important but slow. He can move in any direction but only moves one square. He cannot attack his enemy if he gets into a check. Let's play through this tutorial. Next is the knight. You can skip to it at any time. Let's go to the knight. The knight can only move in an L shape. This is useful when you want backup, but cannot get close to your opponent. Let's play through this tutorial. Next is the pawn. You can skip to it at any time. The pawn. The pawn can move forward. If there is an enemy unit diagonal to it, ahead of it and one square away from it, it can cut that unit. If it reaches the edge, it can change into one of four units: a rook, bishop, knight, or queen. Let's play through the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time.